everybody, and welcome to another CLK tutorial. This is Chris, and today we're just going to shine up some shoes. But we're not going to use any kind of expensive shoe cleaning products or polish or anything like that. I'm just going to use some tire cleaning product called Tire Wet. And I've tried it before, it works pretty good. And I am going to a wedding today, and I don't like to wear regular dress shoes. So I have a pair of Skechers cushions here, and I'm going to clean those up and wear those. And all the products I feature on this tutorial today, I'm not getting paid. This is not a paid endorsement. This is all on me. So let's get going, okay? So what we have here is a pair of Skechers cushions. Good shoes, by the way. But they're pretty crusty. You can see right here, got some white scuff there, and just dirty and dusty and stuff. So I'm going to shine them up. Alright, I don't really like to spray it right onto the shoe. You can. It tends to get a little messy. So I'm just going to use my nasty rag that I always use and spray it on the rag, and then just wipe. To get on the side of the soles too, because they get really dirty. And the tongue is a little bit difficult to get to. I'm going to do that last. So side here, and then the heel of the shoe, and it's getting, I can see that it's taking some of that white crap off. That's good. Make sure you get the front real good. Okay, focus, Chris. Okay, get that. Now I'm going to do the tongue, and I'm just going to kind of slip it in here and push it in there and just kind of work it in this way. I don't want to get the laces like wet. They're a pain in the ass, so clean up that. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Do a little comparison here. Shoe on the left is the nasty one, and the shoe on the right I just cleaned. It didn't take very long at all, and they look absolutely beautiful. They look like new, nice and sparkly, and I'm ready to go to a wedding. Alright, you guys, that was just a quick, simple, little easy thing. I thought you might save some money. You get a ton of this stuff, you know, in a bottle, where when you buy a shoe cleaning products, you usually wind up paying a lot more for a lot less. So this stuff is good stuff. I recommend it. Once again, this is not a paid endorsement. I'm not paid by Skechers or Black Magic, just like the products. Okay? Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up to date on all of our latest material. Alright, thank you. This is Chris, signing off. Bye.